Hello. Today we will learn about the phrase become of something. This phrase is used to ask what happens to someone or something. For example, you might ask, what has become of my old friend? This means you want to know where your friend is now or what happened to them. Become of something shows curiosity about the fate or result. It is always used in questions or statements like, what will become of the project? Remember, become of is inseparable. You never separate become and of. You can use it for people, things, places, or situations. For example, what has become of the missing documents? Or, I wonder what will become of this old house. This phrase is useful in both formal and informal speech. Don't confuse it with happen to, which talks about events. Become of focuses on the final state or outcome. Try to use it when you want to ask about the future or past of something. Practice with sentences like, what has become of your keys? Or, do you know what became of the money? Keep practicing, and soon you will use become something naturally. Thanks for watching. See you next time.